Hello, I'm in a 2024 Escape, and today I'm going to show you to refill your gas. So this one is just a push to open, so just push to open it, and from here you can just stick your if you're the gas station, just stick it in there. Make sure you put the right type of gas, but it just would be a regular unleaded, so like 87 for example. You refill and you're done. And let's say you're stranded on the road somewhere. You typically these easy fuels, you'll need like a little white funnel that's in the trunk. Those are made specifically for these no cap emission control lids. So those you can typically find in the trunks, stored where the spare tires and stuff are under the carpet. But yeah, just like a white funnel. It's probably like maybe that long, that just sticks right in there, and you just fill directly into that. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.